Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a photo collage on Canva apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Canva apps, at the menu you can see you might want to try. So in here you just swipe until you can see on a photo collage, this one. So you just click on a photo collage. And after this you can see many template photo collage at from Canva. You can choose a photo collage template that you want. I wanna choose this one, so you just click on it. And after this you can set the set the photo. If you wanna change the photo, so you just click on the photo, and after this you can click on replies, and after this you please waiting. And after this you can click on photo that you want to add, maybe on this one, so you just click on it. Okay, please waiting. And okay, now click on the another photo and click on replace again. And after this you can add the photo that you want to add, maybe this one. And finish. So that's how to make a photo collage on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.